Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I'm super excited about today's video. This video is featuring Dia & Co. Thank you so much to Dia & Co for gifting me the items today. So I'm super excited to get into it because Dia & Co, you guys may know them as a styling company. They offer styling services for plus size chicks, but now you can actually shop their website for individual pieces or specific pieces that you may want. So I'm super excited to show you guys what they sent me. Thank you guys so much for showing me so much love on my last video featuring Boohoo. I really appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, hello, welcome to the Plush Babes family. If you enjoy my content, be sure to hit that big red subscribe button down below, like the video, comment, and let's go ahead and get into this try on haul, y'all. So as always, if I get any accessory pieces, I always show you guys before I get into the try on haul portion. So I wanted to show you guys two accessory pieces that I picked up that are super cute. Y'all don't mind my nails because one of my nails popped off, so. But this is this ostrich skin cognac colored clutch. Y'all, when I saw this, I was like, click, I had to have this. This is so cute. And I feel like pieces like this are timeless. Like these will never go out of style. So this is what it looks like. So it has this little lock here that you can click in place if you want to just secure the zipper part. And then when you're ready to open, press it. And then it does have the wristlet part here. So it's very easy to, you know, carry in and out of stores wherever you're going. And then if you zip it up, you'll see that it has a compartment here, compartment there, and then in the middle compartment, you'll see that you have the strap. So you can also wear this as a crossbody, which is super, super cute. This kind of piece is transitional year long. You can wear this spring, summer, fall, and winter, and it will look really nice with any outfit. My plan is to pair this bad boy with a nice denim jean, a nice crisp white top, in the bag. Y'all, that is going to be a look. So I am so excited to pair this. I love this bag. As always, everything will be linked down in the description box. I believe this was between $30 and $45 if I'm not mistaken. So all the links will be down below. And then the next piece that I picked up is this, oh, this is so pretty, this faux pearl bag or crossbody. This is really cute as well. This is also, I feel, a timeless piece. Pearls never go out of style. And just look at the detail on this, y'all. This is beautiful. So it has the handle here. So if you wanna wear it, you know, just holding it really cute and sassy, you can. Or you can pair it over the shoulder. That's a cute look as well. And it's just very dainty, very feminine. The quality is amazing. Dia & Co reminds me of Curvy Sense with their quality. Very high quality pieces, but very affordable. So this is really, really cute. Let me show you guys the chain strap. Just really pretty. So I am definitely here for it. So yeah, you guys, both of these pieces will be linked down in the description box. So if you are interested in them, be sure to click the link down below. All right, y'all. So here is the first clothing piece. I only have about 2 or 3 clothing pieces to show you guys. So here is the first piece. This is a high neck sleeveless sweater. This is super cute. I had to pick this up because of the color. I love this kind of mauve pink color for spring, kind of like a rose color actually for spring, and I love the details on it. So if you come up on it, you can see that it does have line details here at the top and on the side, which I love. This also comes in white, so I'm kind of salty that I didn't pick up the white one too, but this is what it looks like. I paired it with my Walmart jeans, honey. You know I love my Walmart jeans, and this belt is from Boohoo. So just a really cute, simple look. This is something that you would wear to lunch. You can wear this going grocery shopping, wherever you have to go. This is a very super chill and comfortable look, but it's also dressy and put together, if that makes sense. I would pair this, I just picked these up actually, with these white mules. I got these from Rainbow. This will be a cute look, very simple, effortless, but still chic and put together. So yes, you guys, I love this fit. This sweater is very comfortable on. The sweater is actually very long, so it comes down to here. So if this is something that you wanted to wear to work with a blazer, or if you're allowed to wear your arms out, if you wanted to wear this to work, this is very appropriate because you can't see through this at all. So like I said, quality is on point. So here we are from the front, very simple. This side and the back. So as you guys can see, it is a racerback style sweater. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you guys think about this piece. As always, I will put the size and price on the screen for you guys. Okay, y'all, so here is the next look. I love this jumpsuit. It is so comfortable, y'all. I could literally wear this around the house and be good. Again, quality is on point. So this is just, as you can see, a basic jumpsuit. It does have your wrap tie here in the front. I love the tassel detailing here. So you have the tassels, but let me show y'all the up close. I don't know if y'all can see. It has the silver, it has the black beads and the tassels. I love the detail on this. Super, super cute. And then you have your, you know, tube top portion of it. And I love that the wrap kind of accentuates your waist, so it makes you look very curvaceous. And guess what, y'all? The jumpsuit has pockets. So I am just here for this. This is such good quality, and I love that their sizing is spot on. Like, I feel like with Via & Co, you never have to guesstimate whether something is going to fit. If you wear this size, the items are going to fit. So here is what it's looking like. The bottom does cuff. So I don't know if you guys can see that the bottoms do cuff at the ends. So it gives you a nice little cinch at the ankles. So this would be really cute. I just picked up some sandals that will look really cute with this. So let me show you guys. Imagine this fit with these sandals. Y'all, I got these from Target. How cute are these? They're clear. This would look so cute with this look. These sandals will also be debuted in a future video that I'm planning for you guys, so stay tuned. Make sure that you have your notification bell set to on so that when I drop that video, you guys will be notified, okay? So yeah, here we are from the front, the side, and the back. So makes the booty look good. Fits very well back there, and this is not see-through, so you don't have to worry about stepping out in the sunlight and being able to see through this. This type of fit is something that you can wear anywhere. I love jumpsuits because it's a one-stop shop. Put on the jumpsuit, you have your outfit, all you have to do is accessorize. So yes, I'm definitely here for it. This is in a size 20, so let me know what you guys think about this down below. Baby girl, these shorts, honey, baby, I have never had a pair of shorts fit as perfectly as these do. If y'all remember, I hauled a pair of Bermuda shorts from Rainbow, and those I was raving about because I was like, these fit very well, and they did. But these, girl, if you don't get anything from this video, get these shorts. These shorts are giving me life, honey. So when you put them on, it's like, are these gonna fit? And then they just conform to your body so well. These are meant for somebody like me who has a little bit of booty, a little bit of hips, a little bit of thighs, because they just conform to the body so well. And then I don't even need this belt. I just put the belt on for the look, to tie the look together, but you don't need the belt at all. The shorts aren't rolling down. They fit snugly, but it's not too tight, if that makes sense. These are just very well made shorts. I am a little shook right now because of how well these fit. So here they are, y'all. They do have a little bit of distressed detailing here, as you guys can see. You do have your pockets here in the front. These are a light wash, and then it does have your little cuff here at the bottom. I love basic shorts because you can wear them with anything. As you can see right now, I'm just pairing my black bodysuit from Boohoo, the black belt. You can wear this with sneakers, you can wear it with sandals, you can wear wedges, heels, whatever y'all want to do with it. So here is what we are looking like from the front. Here we are from the side, and here we are from the back. Oh, you guys, I love these. These make the booty look very nice. As you can see, it's not flattening my booty. It kind of curves to my butt, but it's still very tasteful and covered. My butt is not hanging out. You still have a lot of fabric here under the cuff of your butt to kind of hold everything up and give you that coverage. And then as you can see, you do have the pockets here in the back. Y'all, I am so serious. Like, as soon as I finish this video, I'm about to go back on there and order 2 or 3 more pairs. Let me check and see what size they go up to, because y'all have to get these shorts. Okay, y'all, so they come in 2 different washes, a light wash, which are the ones I have, and they come in a dark wash as well, so I will be picking those up. The dark wash does not have distress, but they're just really nice basic dark wash jeans. These are $38. These go up to a size 32. Dia & Co. Yeah, Dia & Co. accommodate sizes 12 through 32, honey. So that's like 4, 5, 6X. Like, y'all can slip into these shorts and be cute. And $38, honey, where they do that at? So y'all have to get your hands on these shorts. Like, these are gonna go fast because these are so cute. They fit so well and they hold your body very nicely. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you guys think about these down in the comments. Today's plush babe comment of the day goes to my girl Shawty Cakes. So thank you so much for watching my last video featuring Boohoo. Again, if you guys have not watched that video, be sure to check it out. Thank you so much, girl, for showing me support. I see you in all of my videos, or most of my videos, so thank you so much for being a loyal subscriber. I appreciate you so much. I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul today. I did. Dia & Co. is definitely a new favorite, honey. So I am super excited. If you guys enjoy any of the pieces, be sure to click the links down below. Everything will be out in the description box. And yeah, you guys, we don't have any church announcements. Be sure to follow me on Instagram because I'm trying to keep everything up on there. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at I am Hannah Olivia. I'm just trying to be consistent, y'all. Put my money where my mouth is, and you know, actually put the action to what I be talking about. So if you guys have not watched the vlog, watch it. Nothing going on but just life, child. So if you guys are interested in that, be sure to watch it. And yeah, you guys, I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video.